Good morning. How are you?
Hey, good morning. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. So, how do you spend your day? What is your daily routine like?
Well, I wake up at 6 a.m., brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I get ready for school and have breakfast with my family. What about you?
That sounds nice. I also wake up around 6 a.m., but sometimes I feel lazy and stay in bed for a few more minutes.
I also feel lazy sometimes, but my mom wakes me up.
Same here. After waking up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I help my mom with small household chores before having breakfast.
Oh, that's great. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat bread with butter and a glass of milk. Sometimes, my mom makes pancakes or eggs. What about you?
I love eating eggs and toast for breakfast.
That sounds delicious. After breakfast, what do you do?
I leave for school at 7:30 a.m. and reach there by 8 a.m. My classes start at 8:15 a.m.
Oh, my school timing is similar. I also leave around 7:30 a.m. What's your favorite subject?
I really like science. I enjoy doing experiments and solving problems.
Wow, I like science too, but I also enjoy English because I love reading stories.
That's nice. After school, what do you do?
After school, I come home, wash my hands, and have lunch with my family. Then I take some rest for a while. What about you?
I do the same. After lunch, I sometimes take a short nap if I feel tired.
That's a good habit. In the evening, I do my homework and then go outside to play with my friends.
Same here. I usually play football or cricket in the park. It's fun.
Oh, I like skipping and playing badminton with my friends. Playing keeps us active and healthy.
Yes, that's true. After playing, I come home, freshen up, and study for a while.
Me too. I revise my lessons and complete my homework. My mom sometimes helps me with difficult subjects.
That's nice. What do you do after studying?
After studying, I have dinner with my family. We talk about our day, and then I watch some TV or read a book.
I also watch TV for a little while. Then I get ready for bed and read a storybook before sleeping.
That's a great habit. I usually listen to music or talk to my parents before bedtime.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to sleep by 9:30 p.m. What about you?
I sleep at 10 p.m. A good night's sleep is important for a fresh start the next day.
Yes, I agree. It was really nice talking to you about our daily routine.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation too. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.